What it do? What it do? It's your boy Brian Blewett coming back with another video. And y'all can see we talking about Bitcoin Depot. And this here Bitcoin Depot is in Mississippi where I'm at. So this all to all people that's in Mississippi want to know how you can get Bitcoin and da 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 da. So look, I found the website. It's called Bitcoin Depot, and they also have an app called Bitcoin Depot that you can download. So when you go to this machine in these stores in these locations, you can be able to deposit your money in the ATM, the Bitcoin Depot, and change for Bitcoin. So okay, how it works: buy Bitcoin with cash at a Bitcoin Depot ATM or BTM. Create a digital wallet. To use one of our BTMs, you will need a digital wallet. If you don't have one, you can create one with the Bitcoin Depot app. So this is how the app look. It's on Google Store and Apple Store. So you go and download that. Boom. Enter your information. At the BTM, start by selecting the amount you wish to purchase. You will then be asked to enter your phone number, name, and email address. So you doing this to it's like it's confirmed and it's making sure it's you, and on top of that, it's looking for your account to match what you have entered in. Okay. Verification. A 5-digit verification code will be sent to you to your phone. Enter the code at the kiosk or at the ATM, the BTM. So you come here on this section and you select your crypto. Choose the cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. You will then be asked to provide your digital wallet address. Your Bitcoin Depot wallet address can be accessed by pressing the receive button or the QR code in the top left corner of the app. So you can come to this screen and you can select whatever currency or crypto you want to get. Complete your purchase. Okay? Insert your cash into the BTM. You do this after you have selected your if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other asset. You insert your cash into the BTM. Once the transaction is complete, choose print or email for your receipt. Your crypto will hit your wallet within minutes. So now, if you want to do that, find your nearest location. And as you can see down here at the bottom, they have a video too how to use the Bitcoin ATM. And I will be doing a video on that very soon. So y'all come back if y'all want more informative videos on how to upload and get Bitcoin. It's your boy Brian Blewett. I'm out.